Sirius developed the Fusion Controller to reduce the time pumpers or operators spend on site. The Fusion Controller allows the pumper to set rates in gallons, quarts, or liters per day and make adjustments with the push of a button. To calibrate the pump, push any button to wake up the controller. Ensure the controller is enabled. You should see Stop above the F4 button. Now hold F1 to enter Pro mode. Then push F3 to start the calibration. Enter the rate you intend to inject by toggling the buttons up and down. We are running the pump at 75 liters per day in this case. Press F4 for next. The pump's calibration factor appears, which is used to verify performance. Press F4 again to continue. Isolate the calibration sight glass. Read the fluid level on the volume scale and enter this number into the controller. In this case, it is 150 liters. Press F4 to run the pump for the predetermined calibration time. The default is 1 minute or less depending on the rate. When the drawdown is complete, the controller will prompt you for the final fluid level reading from the volume scale. The smart controller will then compare the actual volume delivered to the target volume. If the actual volume delivered is within 5% of the target volume, the system will adjust the calibration factor for maximum accuracy and end the calibration. If the actual volume is outside the 5% of target volume, the system will prompt for a calibration retry. This simple process eliminates the unnecessary time-consuming tasks required to adjust the rates of a conventional chemical pump. There are no charts, tables, or calculations required to determine plunger size, stroke length, or frequency and duration of duty cycle. The calibration is now complete, and the final sight glass reading is 75 liters per day, which we enter into the controller. Press F4 to continue, and the calibration is complete as indicated. Press F4 again to get back to the home screen. The pump will now run at the calibrated rate. Ensure the tank valve is open to the pump.